Now in sample number 6, we are going to solve this one by factoring. So we will try to make sure that one side is equal to 0, and then on the left hand side, we can put the equation in the standard form, and then we'll factor it. We set the first equal to 0, or we will set the second equal to 0. Let's see if we will also end up with two solutions for this one or not. Okay, so we have a long equation, but it's okay. I see I have a parentheses, I have the 4x in front of that. Let's distribute the 4x inside. I get 8x squared, 4x times 2x, 8x squared. 4x times positive 9, we get plus 36x. Minus 250, okay, that's equal to multiply the negative 2x with x. I get negative 2x squared. Negative 2x times positive 5, I get minus 10x. And then we'll have one more parenthesis, so we'll just have to keep distributing. 11 times x, I get plus 11x. And then 11 times 10, we get plus 110. So let's see, on the left hand side, we cannot combine like terms. But on the right hand side, this part right here, we notice that this negative 10x and positive 11x, we can combine like terms. And we will get negative 2x squared, this and that, we get plus x, right? Negative 10 plus 11, we end up with just 1x, because they are the x terms, plus 110. And here, we bring down 8x squared plus 36x, minus 250. So now, let's again make this side equal to 0, so bring all this to the other side. We will do the opposite operations. This is negative 2x squared. The opposite of that is we are going to add 2x squared on both sides. So plus 2x squared here. To cancel this out, I will also add 2x squared right here. So I know this will be 10x squared. Okay? And here I had a positive x. I will subtract x here. To cancel this out, I will also subtract an x here. 36x minus x, we have plus 35x. One more right here, right? One more term right here. Plus 110, I will subtract 110. Cancel. Subtract 110 here. This is negative 250 minus 110, we get minus 360, and that's equal to 0. So we did it. We have the equation in standard form equals to 0. Okay? But then, let's observe. We have 10 right here, 35 right here, and 360 right here. They are all divisible of 5. To make this question easier for us in terms of the factorings, let's divide everything by 5, and including the 0, even though it doesn't matter. So that I will be able to reduce the 10x squared to become just a 2x squared. And then right here, 35 divided by 5, I will be able to reduce that to 7x. 360 over 5, I will be able to say that's minus 72, equals to 0. Equals to 0. So we kind of just narrow down, right, from the long equation, do all the algebra here, and then get what we want. We got what we want. Okay? And then you see that we have one side is equal to 0, one side right here is equal to 0. So then we can proceed to factor it. And then to factor this, again I'll just do the tic-tac-toe one more time. 2x squared, I will just do 2x and x. And this one may be much more difficult because for 72 you have a lot of choices, a lot of combination to break down 72. You have 8 times 9, 4 times 18, 2 times 36, and so on. Maybe let's just start with a try. Okay, maybe let's try 8 and 9. Right, let's put a 8 here and 9 there. But then I will have to, if I put on 9 right here, I will have to do the 2x times 9. That will be 18x. And that will be positive ax or something. I don't think that will able to get that. Okay, I will not be able to get 7x. I'm actually going to kind of switch this to 9 right here and 8 right there, because I know that 2x times, oops, you should have do like that, 8, I have 16x, and then 9 times x is 9x. I haven't put on negative yet because I want to see I have 16x and 9x. As long as this 9 is negative, if this 9 was negative here, then I will be able to produce my 7x. In order for this to be negative 9x, I will have to make this negative. So then, negative 9 times x, that's how we can have the negative 9x. Combine like terms here, we do get what we want, the 7x. With this, we can read out the answer for the factors. I will have 2x minus 9, and then x plus 8 equals to 0. For the first part, for the first parentheses, 2x minus 9 equals to 0. Or we also have the second part, x plus 8 equals to 0. Then we just need to solve it. Plus 9 on both sides. Cancel. And then I have 2x is equal to 9. And then I just need to divide both sides by 2 here. Cancel. I get x is equal to 9 over 2. First answer. For the second part, I just need to subtract 8 on both sides. And I get x is equal to negative 8. Second answer. Second answer. And that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Come to this.